Have you noticed that everything seems to have moved online? I mean, we can get anything done that we desire. Shop for groceries, buy furniture, get clothing, return clothing, purchase medicine, talk to doctors. We can even purchase cars, not just from vending machines, but we can go online, do the financing, look at the car, see ourselves in the car, and have the car delivered to our house. All of this can be done and managed through our bank account that's online. So if we can do all of these ultra important things online, why not transfer our education to the internet? Many people spend so much time squabbling about the disadvantages of online education and how we have the learning gaps and students are not able to learn everything that they should, that they fail to consider the advantages. Well, today I'm going to focus on some of those advantages. I am going to be the evangelist. You can call me Evangelist Jennifer. That is going to make you a believer in the value of online education. By the time I'm done, I hope that you will more than consider our school as your online school of choice, but you will demand that your student be a part of this school and you will tell others. Education is moving more and more towards that shift away from the physical educational institution and into the online realm. There have been online schools for many years, but they have failed to gain enough support to really become large, overwhelming influences in the educational atmosphere. However, when COVID hit, schools across the world were forced to figure out another way to educate students. We didn't know how long we were going to be at home, so we had to think fast. The only option was to go online. Well, we all know that this presented a lot of fast thinking actions, getting computers to all students, preparing teachers to abandon their beloved Xerox machine and go digital, and of course, ensuring that the learning management system platform that we chose could not only handle the volume, but handle the needs of our students, whether it be differentiation, extension, or remediation. Now that things have returned to normal, there are many students who realize that they were able to do more than just survive when they took classes online, but they in fact thrived. There were a number of reasons for this. Many times they could learn when they wanted to, they could learn where they wanted to. It was more comfortable in a variety of ways, and for some, the pacing of the learning could be managed by the learner. This freedom to choose the method of learning is an enduring quality of online education. For people who have health challenges, those with that are introverted, those that have reasons beyond our understanding of why they need something that is more flexible, this is a dream come true. The ease of access to taking classes online, even from kindergarten up through 12th grade and then beyond into the secondary world, this is what increases the opportunities to gain the education that is needed and desired. Comfort takes center stage for many of our students. Countless students choose online education to avoid wasting time traveling to and from school, giving up activity time that they could be using while they are attending physical institutions and buildings. According to the Open Education Database, commercials that feature online students studying in their pajamas only skims the surface of one of the benefits of online education: no physical class sessions. Students listen to lectures and complete assignments sent to them electronically with no need to ride buses, leave early for class, spend time in overcrowded buildings, or miss important family time. Instead, students in online courses can always attend by participating in discussion boards and chat questions, looking at videos and turning in their work on time, watching lectures. In other words, being an online student, you circumnavigate many of the issues that regular students have to endure on a daily basis. I could go on and on about how great online education is, but I'll give you one more point so as not to wear your patience. One of the greatest advantages of online education is that learners study at their own pace. According to e-learning industry, this type of system does not require attending live sessions. You can access the materials at any time and in a way that works for you. Students can study at night. They can study at the crack of dawn. They can study in the middle of the day. That's an advantage the traditional educational system will never be able to beat. Receiving an online education is becoming more and more popular due to the multitude of advantages, even beyond what I've expressed to you already. To name a few of them, it was students learning whenever they wanted, learning whatever they wanted, learning wherever they wanted, being more comfortable, and the pacing of the learning being managed by the pupil. For these reasons and more that I could spend more time talking to you about later, it's hard to see why you wouldn't want this form of education for your own child.